Deep Fill Washer Troubleshooting Tools. Needed when troubleshooting your GE Deep Fill Washer, having the right tools is crucial. This section will guide you through the essential tools needed. From basic tools to specialized equipment, we have you covered. Basic tools. Before you begin, gather these basic tools. These are necessary for simple fixes and adjustments. Screwdrivers. Both Phillips and flathead types are useful. Pliers, useful for gripping and twisting components. Wrenches. Adjustable wrenches are versatile for various nut sizes. Flashlight helps you see in dark or hard-to-reach areas. Level ensures your washer is properly balanced. Specialized equipment sometimes. Basic tools are not enough. You might need specialized equipment for more complex issues. Multimeter checks electrical connections and continuity. Nut driver. Set. Useful for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts. Washer repair manual. Provides detailed instructions specific to your model. Wire strippers. Essential for any electrical repairs. Having these tools ready will make troubleshooting your GE Deep Fill Washer easier and more efficient. Noted, if you want to know more details, you can visit this website, HelloTroubleshooting.com.